Dogs are fascinating creatures with a rich history and diverse characteristics. Here are 5 interesting facts about them. Fact number 5. Diverse breeds. There are over 340 different dog breeds recognized worldwide, each with its own unique traits and characteristics. From the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Saint Bernard, the diversity in size, appearance, and behavior is remarkable. Fact number 4. Powerful sense of smell. Dogs have an incredibly keen sense of smell. In fact, their olfactory abilities are estimated to be tens of thousands of times more sensitive than humans. This makes them invaluable in roles such as search and rescue, bomb detection, and tracking. Fact number 3. Ancient companions. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years. Evidence suggests that they were domesticated as far back as 20,000 to 40,000 years ago. Over time, they've played roles as hunters, herders, guards, and, most importantly, loyal friends. Fact number 2. Exceptional intelligence. Dogs are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Some breeds, like the Border Collie and Poodle, are particularly known for their high intelligence. They can learn commands, solve puzzles, and even understand human emotions, making them highly trainable and versatile animals. Fact number 1. Unique communication. Dogs communicate with humans and other dogs through a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent. They can hear sounds at frequencies as high as 65,000 Hz. While humans typically hear up to 20,000 Hz, their body language, including tail wagging, ear position, and posture, conveys a wide range of emotions and intentions. These facts demonstrate the incredible diversity, history, and unique characteristics of dogs, which continue to make them beloved companions and valuable working animals worldwide. With you as the most world facts. Subscribe now and see you in the next video.